Hey everyone, welcome back to the Aces channel. It's now September, and around this time we usually start our season, but obviously with everything going on in the world, we don't even know when we're playing yet. They still haven't finished the playoffs yet in our division. So right now we're just still not holding pattern, but we did get on the ice in our last video, which you can see right here, against the Quinty Officers, who we're playing again at the end of the month. Plus we have another game against a Napanee men's league team, which both games you'll see on YouTube. But this video is important because we want to talk about our goaltending. We have really good goaltending on our team. Graham Gemmell is arguably the best goalie in the division, and when he can't make it, we have two very good backups in Brendan Smith, who also doubles as a forward, and Nick Haggerty, who subbed in last year admirably when Jimmy went down. And then we had two other guys that came in, I forget their names, but I added one save per guy in this video. So please enjoy, subscribe, like, comment, trying to get our followers up. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you later.
Oh! Ya, Diablo!
We call it the start, and then